Hello, good morning. Good morning to all my followers and my subscriber. So this Corolla 2016, we have a problem before. This engine knocking noise. But we decide to change first the computer. Engine ECU. The second-hand engine ECU. Because this now, if we will start, it will not crank. It will not start. Crank but not start. I will show you to check the cranking start or not. Because the immobilizer with the under ECU not yet reprogrammed. So to reprogram this one, the another computer must be direct the connector of the LC3 terminal 4 and 13. This is a terminal 4. This side 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the terminal 4. Must be direct. And from here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 4 and 13 must be direct. So that is the procedure. As you can see, this one 4 and 13. That is the LC3 connector. So before that, must be your battery is fully charged. Before you connect, must be off. Then after that, switch on. You will see the dashboard and the engine lamp was blinking. Now it's blinking. That is the reset of the engine ECU with immobilizer system to communicate this key. So this one we will wait until maximum 30 minutes. So that's why must be your battery is fully charged. So I'm sorry, my mobile is shaking. So must be this one 30 minutes before you off. Must be 30 minutes. Continue. Don't off in ignition key. On off, on off. Don't off, on. Don't make like that, because the reprogram of computer and immobilizer will interrupt. So after 30 minutes, I will check. Then I will give you another. I will make another video for this resetting immobilizer system of another computer. So I will close the door. I will wait until 30 minutes, and I will make another video, part 3 video. This one, this original computer, and this the from second-hand computer. So must be reprogrammed. Reset. If you have a scanner, you can scan by reprogram the key. But if you don't have a scanner, you can direct the LC3 connector terminal 4 and 13, which is ECU the connector. That's all, my friend. Thank you very much. I will show you another video for part 3 video if successful or not.